Hey guys, this is my bike check, a volume bike check, volume and demo. Alright, we're gonna start off with the frame. The frame is a volume drifter. It's a great frame. I have a 20.4. I put that sticker there on purpose. Maybe it was a friend's idea, so I guess make it look better, I guess. Yeah, I prefer this frame out of all the frames I've ridden. Alright, here we go. I have demo rims, both matching pair. It's not a Rolls hub, it's the Rogue. Rolls is way better. I prefer the Rolls. My tires is a Demo Street. Back, front is the P-Light, Odyssey P-Light. I have an Animal Jump Off Remix stem, blue anodized. It's a really good stem. I got Demo Suburban bars, you can see that right there, it's a Suburban. I got Stolen Vortex forks. 2 Demo peg drop with a plastic sleeve. The inside's aluminum with brake easier. I have 2 Animal lights. Right there, they're good. My grips, Demo waffle grips. I love them, but when you get water in this, it gets in those little holes and annoys you. I have a light blue C-post. It's volume. I have a Shadow seat. It's green. My pedals are Demo pedals. I don't really know the name for them, but they're really good. Had them for about a month now. They still have really good grip. I have a really old blue anodized Rocky Balboa Animal 25 tooth. Shadow chain, Shadow interlock chain, really good. And Demo Revolt cranks. I think they're 175, 48 spline spindle with a Demo sealed bottom bracket. My brakes, Demolition. See that right there? And it says it right there. And I think it's an Odyssey inner cable right here. I think stolen. Graded headset. And my front hub is a Phantom. Everything is sealed in my bike. Everything sealed. That's my bike check. Comment, please.